In a seated position, you're going to bring your knee to the outside of the body. You want about a 45-degree angle from the elbow and the shoulder. If you can't sit up straight and you end up in a rounded position, you can throw a prop underneath your hips. Here the goal is going to be to move the head of the arm bone in the socket without the scapula coupling in motion. So keeping an eye on that shoulder, making sure it's not rolling forward by pulling the scap down toward the hip. From here, we're gonna take a dumbbell in the hand. As you drive the scap down toward the hip, you're gonna push the weight toward the floor. Make sure you can feel the armpit engaging. You'll feel it kind of draw into the body. Again, stop when you feel or see that the shoulder rolls forward. Continue to pull that scap down toward the hip. And as you drive back, push as far back as you can. You're gonna feel more of your back activating here, and the goal is to keep that activation as you drive the weight down.